on this computer. And now I'm going to share my screen. Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, money. All right, here we go. So, question number one. Question number one. I want to open the internet. What do I do now?
Is this a beat off?
I see your screen.
Yep. What do I do now? Where do I go?
What?
I said, I opened my screen. Where do I go now? What do I do?
Oh, Xactimate.com. Xactimate.com /something/ or /something/.
Exactly. Xactimate.com /XO/.
Yeah, that's it.
Gee, why isn't it working? I've already installed. So you've already made one mistake. Remember what I told you about when you log into the internet on most of these newer computers?
Yeah, you can't use Edge. You got to make sure it's Internet Explorer.
How do I do that?
Go up there to the right and click on the three little tabs.
Yep.
Click on it and then go to Open with Internet Explorer.
Boom. Hey, you have a good memory, sir. That's right. So we're opening in Internet.
Yeah, I'm sure.
All right.
No,
What's the name of the program that you have to have loaded, Shaw, in order for this to work?
Silverlight.
And what kind of a computer do you have to be on?
Has to be a tablet or an Android.
You cannot do it on a tablet. That is incorrect.
Okay, well you can't.
It's got to be a desktop or a laptop.
Yeah.
And so can I do it on a Mac or an Apple?
No.
It has to be Internet Explorer.
That's right. And Internet Explorer is on what platform?
Microsoft or PC.
Windows! I'm trying to
Windows.
get Windows. There we go. Yes. Windows. Right? Think about it. It's a construction estimating software, so it's on Windows. It's not an Apple. Apple is food. Windows is construction. So for you, my email has always been at sellingisorganic.com. You plug in your password and we log in. Okay, what is this screen? What is this screen? What is this screen called?
Control center.
Yeah, no, more specifically, it's of specific.
Dashboard.
There you go. That's right. And what's in this section here? What loads in this section?
All your projects, all your customers.
Incorrect. On your dashboard, you're going to see your 10. Generally, it's going to load your 10 most recent projects. If you want to see all your projects, where do you think you would go?
Project.
That's right. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, give the man a lollipop. Anyway, all right. So if it was the beginning of the month and if it's the beginning of the month and I need to download a price list, how do I do that?
Where do I go? Price list.
What?
Request price list.
How do I do that? Where I'm in the dashboard.
Go to price list.
Go to price list. So click. Okay, I clicked it on.
Now request price list.
Where's that?
Over to the right.
Okay. Upper right, you said?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to load another state here just so Moose can see it. Let's see, did I do Maryland yet? I don't think I did. So you'll see Baltimore is clicked. I'm going to go down to the bottom, which is St. Charles. Shift click. I can select them all at the same time. Hit OK. Right. Now I'll say MULT, which means I'm downloading multiple price lists. And now it will load. Whoa! It's loading. Boom, shakalaka. Okay, so now I've got my current price list downloaded. Now where do I go to start my estimate?
Go back to your control center.
Okay. Now what?
Scroll over. Actually, you're going to go to projects and you're going to go create a new project.
Boom. And how do you create a new project?
Add.
Do you remember how how do I do the nomenclature, i.e. how do I name the file or the project?
Just the name and last name of the borrower, or
Okay.
not the borrower, but of the client.
Right, and who's the client on this one?
What?
Who's the client on this one?
Carolyn.
And then why do I put the number of the street on after the name?
Because there could be another Carolyn Jensen. And you want to fuck yourself up.
Right, or she may own more than one property, or you might have more than one person by the same name, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so right
Correct.
here where it says profile, which one do you want?
Contractor.
Correct, because we're not a carrier. I've had guys unable to do stuff in an estimate. They're like, I don't understand. Why can't I do blah, blah, blah? I'm like, okay, save that, log out. Let's go look at your profile. See up here in your project list, see where it says profile here?
Yeah.
So what'll happen is you'll go up in here after they save it and close that out. It'll be, oh, that's contractor. I'm like, guess what? You need to change that. So you can actually edit that, change it, and then it'll put it into the correct format. So
right.
Under type.
Always estimate.
That's right. Why don't we mess with valuation of FEMA flood?
Because we don't do any of that bullshit.
There you go. Simple enough, right? What's the point of the label?
If you want to find your deals soon, like really quick, and so they're all together in one place, but not really used.
Correct. Man, you got a good memory, dude. I'm impressed. But you did have some familiarity with it before, though, right?
Yeah, years ago.
So now what do I do?
Okay.
There you go. Okay. Well, okay.